Now, before moving further, we would invite you to actually test your digital bad habits to see if it's dangerous, to see if it's an addiction. This will help you to gain self-awareness, assess your addiction levels compared to others, and to get personalized insights from addiction experts. This test is completely free and anonymous. You will receive the results by email. It's really easy to do. You can do it in 4 minutes. At the end, you will get a score out of 100 and you will know what's going well and what's not, what could be dangerous and what to watch out for. You will also get, most importantly, insights from digital addiction experts on what to do and how you can improve things. Alright, so let's block our first website. We're gonna click on new block, and here on the websites tab you can type any website that you would like to block. Here I'm gonna block youtube.com. You click on add, you save it, give it a name, activate it, and let's try to go on YouTube. And as you can see, it's immediately blocked. You can see here which website is blocked, and under it you have the name of the block, which can be useful if you have many blocks. Now let's go back and add maybe an exceptions, because I want to block YouTube entirely besides a channel that is productive or educative. Anyway, I need it to work. So I can add an exceptions like this. It's going to block full YouTube beside this YouTube channel. Now I want you to follow along and to create a new block and to add the websites from your number 1 digital bad habit or digital addiction. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the gambling addiction. The software loads a pre-made list of blocked websites and blocked keywords. Now, to extend this list, we have created files that you can download for free on our website, and you can simply, once downloaded, import them from here, websites from file. This is going to automatically load way more links and way more keywords, so you're going to be way better protected. Now, if you want to add your own keyword, you can also go here and type a keyword surrounded by wildcards. It's going to block any URL that contains the word poker surrounded by any character before and after. Simply add it. Now, if you really want to master cold turkey and eliminate toxic habits from your life, check out our free step-by-step course. From start to finish, break digital habits and protect yourself from temptations. Focus on what matters and finally achieve your goals. An even more powerful approach is to go to application and add a window title. Here I'm going to add my keyword. And basically the software is going to block any window that contains the word poker. Let me show you how it works. I go on Google and I try, let's say to, I want to play poker, I'm craving for poker, and I type poker. So here you can see it's working, no problem. I'm gonna activate the block, and in a few seconds, everything related to poker closed. That's pretty cool. Like, it means that I cannot access any URL using the word poker. That's pretty cool. That's really powerful, and you can block basically everything you want, everything and anything. Here, of course, you want to import, because otherwise you're gonna have manually. It can be a little bit time consuming. So again, what we have done with this list, here you can download them for free and import directly the list. Now I'm gonna talk a little bit quickly about the logic of blocking. So you may have many blocks when you're gonna use cold turkey. You may have one for your main bad habit, but you may also have one for focusing, or one before you go to bed, or whatever. And the logic of using websites and websites exceptions is important to understand. So let's say I have a project and I work mainly on Wikipedia, and I don't want to be distracted by YouTube, by whatever other website. So what I can do is that I can type this little word, and basically this means block every URL that has a dot and anything before or anything after, which means 100% of the URLs, because they all get a dot in it. So if I save it and I activate it, what happened is that it's gonna block everything. You can see all my tabs are blocked. All the full internet is blocked. I want to go back here and I want to go in website exceptions and add Wikipedia. Add it, save it, and now I'm gonna refresh the page, and cold turkey still block everything else but Wikipedia, which can be useful if you work only on one page on a few websites. This is really convenient. Another way to do it is to, let's say, there is one website that distracts you, let's say reddit.com, and you want to block it, and that's it. This approach is powerful if there is only one or two or three websites that annoys you. So I'm going to activate it. I'm going to remove the focus keyword. You can see here that Reddit is blocked completely. You cannot access it. However, if you want to access Wikipedia, you can, but you can also access all the other websites, so YouTube and whatever. So we hope by now you are having a clean and efficient Coolturk installation. Of course, as you may guess, a simple software is not enough to quit digital bad habits. And that's why we've created the Digital Purge, an online course to give you the tools you need to understand your triggers and to leverage psychology so you can finally hack any digital bad habit you want to get rid of. Rather than relying on willpower and suffering by trying to resist temptations, we teach you how to identify and destroy them so you can feel in peace. To give you an extra motivation, we drop down in the description a really nice early coupon so you can get a promotion for the #1 course that breaks any digital addiction.